The average person eats out at a restaurant 4 times a week, according to Gundersen Health System. And when dining out, it's not always easy to make healthy choices. That's part of the reason Gundersen developed an app to help. The guide includes information on more than 150 area restaurants in La Crosse County, and more are likely to be added.
People sometimes assume that if you go out to eat at restaurants, you can't eat healthy. And the research does show that if you go out, you might eat an additional 200 calories a day for those people that eat out frequently. And this will hopefully allow people to know where they can go and still be healthy.
The free app is available on Android, iOS, and on the web.